ಹಾಯ್ ಫ್ರೆಂಡ್ಸ್, ಗಂಗಾ ಟೆಕ್ ವರ್ಲ್ಡ್ ಯೂಟ್ಯೂಬ್ ಚಾನಲ್ಗೆ ಸ್ವಾಗತ. ಎಸ್ ಡಿ ಎ ಗ್ರೇಡ್ 2 ಮತ್ತು ಕಾರ್ಯದರ್ಶಿ ಪರೀಕ್ಷೆಗೆ ವಿಡಿಯೋ 2 ಇಂಗ್ಲೀಷ್ ಗ್ರಾಮರ್, ಅದರಲ್ಲಿ ಆರ್ಟಿಕಲ್ಸಲ್ಲಿ ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಒನ್ ಡೆಫಿನೆಟ್ ಆರ್ಟಿಕಲ್ಸ್, ಸೆಕೆಂಡ್ ಒನ್ ಇನ್ಡೆಫಿನೆಟ್ ಆರ್ಟಿಕಲ್. ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಒನ್ ಆರ್ಟಿಕಲ್ಸ್, ಅದಕ್ಕೆ ಕನ್ನಡದಲ್ಲಿ ಉಪಪದಗಳು ಅಂತ ಕರೀತಾರೆ. ದ ಅಡ್ಜೆಕ್ಟಿವ್ ಎ, ಆರ್, ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ ದಿ ಆರ್ ಯೂಶುವಲಿ ಕಾಲ್ಡ್ articles. A, or, and the are usually called articles. They are really demonstrative adjectives. ಉಪಪದಗಳನ್ನು ನಾಮವಿಶೇಷಣಗಳಂತೆ ಉಪಯೋಗಿಸುತ್ತಾರೆ. ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್, kinds of articles. In articles there are two types. First one definite article, second one indefinite article. ಉಪಪದಗಳಲ್ಲಿ ಎರಡು ಪ್ರಕಾರಗಳು, ನಿಶ್ಚಿತ ಉಪಪದ ಮತ್ತು ಅನಿಶ್ಚಿತ ಉಪಪದ. ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಒನ್ ಡೆಫಿನಿಟ್ ಆರ್ಟಿಕಲ್. ದ ಈಸ್ ಕಾಲ್ಡ್ ಡೆಫಿನಿಟ್ ಆರ್ಟಿಕಲ್ ಬಿಕಾಸ್ ಇಟ್ ನಾರ್ಮಲಿ ಪಾಯಿಂಟ್ಸ್ ಔಟ್ ಸಮ್ ಪರ್ಟಿಕ್ಯುಲರ್ ಪರ್ಸನ್ಸ್ ಆರ್ ಥಿಂಗ್ಸ್. ದ ಯೂಸ್ ಆಫ್ ಡೆಫಿನಿಟ್ ಆರ್ಟಿಕಲ್. ದ ಡೆಫಿನಿಟ್ ಆರ್ಟಿಕಲ್ ಯೂಸ್ಡ್ ಬಿಫೋರ್ ಸಿಂಗ್ಯುಲರ್ ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ ಪ್ಲೂರಲ್ ವರ್ಡ್ಸ್. Definite article, the is called definite article because it is normally points out some particular person or things. The use of definite article. The definite article used before singular and plural. Next, examples for the article. First one, the pen is on the table. Second one, the boxes are placed one above the other. Next, where the article is used. First one, it is used before the words of river, sea, ocean and mountain. Examples. First one, the Kaveri is holy river. Second one, the Bay of Bengal lies to the east of India. Where article used river, sea, ocean and mountain. Next, third one, the Pacific is the deepest ocean. Fourth one, the Himalaya lies in between India and China. Rule number 2, it is used before the superlative degree word. First one, the Gol Gumbaz of Vijaypur is one of the most wonderful building in the world. The Gol Gumbaz of Vijaypur is one of the most wonderful building in the world. Next, second example, Rajesh is the tallest boy. Rule number 3, it is used the words of planet and satellite. Examples, the moon revolves round the earth. Second one, the Mercury is the nearest planet to the sun. Rule number 3 is used words of the planet and satellite. Next, rule number 4, it is used before the word of animal which represents its whole class as a importance. First one, the cow is gentle and holy animal. Second one, the horse is riding animal. It is used before the word of animal which represents whole class as a importance. Next, rule number 5, it is used to show particular animal or thing. Examples, I saw the professor. First one. Second, they saw the doctor. Rule number 5, it is used to show particular person or animal or thing. I saw the doctor, I saw the professor, they saw the doctor. Rule number 5, it is used before the word of holy thing. Examples, the Bhagavad Gita is holy book for the Hindus. Second one, the Christians have a full faith in the Bible. Rule number 6. It is used before words of holy thing. The Bhagavad Gita is holy book for Hindus. The Christians have full faith in the Bible. Next, rule number 7. It is used before the word of religion. Example, the Hindus worship the cow. Rule number 7. It is used before the word of religion. First example, the Hindus worship the cow. Next, second one, indefinite articles. A and an considered as a indefinite articles. The use of a. Rule number 1. The indefinite article a is used before the singular word which begins with a consonant. Indefinite articles are a and an considered as a indefinite articles. A and an. Next, example. First, the people in ancient time believed that the earth is passed like a table. Second one, this is a pen. Rule number 2. It is used before the singular word which begins with the consonant pronunciation of U. Rule number 2. It is used before the singular word which begins with consonant pronunciation of U. Examples. First one, Mangalore is the university. Second one, it is the unit. The use of an. Rule number 1. The indefinite article an is used before singular word which begins with a vowel. The use of an. Rule number 1. The indefinite article an is used before the singular word which begins with a vowel. Next, examples. First one, I bought an ox today. Second one, he ate an apple. Rule number 2. It is used before the singular which begins with a silent H. First one, Krishna Devaraya was an honorable king. Second one, they waited for half an hour. Krishna Devaraya was honorable king. First example. Second, they waited for half an hour.